In this video, you're going to see how to install a pre-cut piece of paint protection film, or PPF, from Rvinyl. Let's get to it. For tools, you'll need a cleaner, microfiber towel, and a slip solution, which can be one you purchase from Rvinyl or make with soap and water. You also need a tack solution, which is 10% alcohol and water, and a cleaner for the end, as well as a squeegee with a buffer. And to remove the trunk sill piece, simply cut the side of the clear plastic bag, and we're ready to install. The first step is to open the trunk or hatchback and vacuum inside. To get a perfect install, it's critical to remove any sneaky dirt that can build up in this area. Be sure to focus on the rubber molding at the top and where the latch is. A final step is to apply masking tape on top of the rubber to block any remaining dirt. Next is to clean. This is a great dedicated cleaner from Rvinyl. It's very effective at removing dirt and oil. Be sure to spray from left to right and then wipe it down with a very absorbent microfiber towel, and give extra attention to the recessed area and the outside area. Rotate the microfiber towel and dry up any remaining residue. Next, take the pre-cut trunk sill piece and notice that there's a tiny little notch right in the middle. This can be aligned with the latch. This means it's going to be centered. The next step is to spray the top of the sill with a slip solution. You can also get this from Rvinyl. Be sure to spray extra thorough so it's fully covered. Next, release the liner on the pre-cut piece of PPF. Be sure to spray the slip solution immediately on the adhesive. Pull the liner roughly halfway, then flip it in half, remove the remaining liner, then continue to spray the adhesive so it's 100% covered. Now place the pre-cut piece on top of the sill. Make sure it slides and glides left to right. Now line the notch in the PPF up to the latch. This means it's centered. Also make sure the edge of the PPF fits perfectly in the recessed area. Once it's in the right position, tack one side of the piece, spray the fingers so they're moist, pick up the PPF and make sure the edge is lined up to the bottom of the recessed area, hold it in place, then simply squeegee from one side to the other. Be sure to keep the squeegee low and flat. This will push all the slip solution out. Then take the squeegee to the edge to make sure it's firmly sealed. For the outside edge, keep the squeegee at a 45-degree angle, and if there are any what are called fingers in the material, press the squeegee down and hold. The monkey strip will absorb any moisture, so now the PPF sticks firmly on the surface. And now once one side is done, squeegee with a 45-degree angle to the other side. Be sure to keep the squeegee firmly on the surface at the right angle. Once all the slip solution is out, squeegee one more time to make sure it's fully sealed on the surface. Now take the tack solution, which is again 10% alcohol and 90% water, spray the edge to flush out the slip solution, and then using a microfiber towel, push out towards the edge so all the moisture is out. Now wipe off any moisture on the lower portion of the bumper to make it client ready. Then remove the masking tape, and because this is a fresh install of a pre-cut piece of PPF, avoid spraying any polishes on top of it right away. Wait 24 hours. And here's a shot of the final result, and if done correctly, it simply disappears into the vehicle, yet it adds that extra protection when items are moved in and out of the trunk or hatchback.